Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. It's beautiful outside. It's so beautiful. We are so lucky to have such a beautiful weather. It's in winter time. You can wear very simple. Wear shorts. You do not even feel cold. And so yesterday I did a makeup, and I got one friend comment, "Oh, you use a lot of foundation." So I did not really realize. And on the one hand, I would say that there is no right or wrong. It's a personal choice. But on the other side, on a brighter side, on a kind of psychology side, that it shows me something that is very interesting, that we do not see ourselves. Even with mirrors, we do not see ourselves. I want to use this as an opportunity to open up my mind. That very often time we get comfortable with a certain way of things. We get comfortable with certain degree of things, amount of things, quantity of things. We forget to judge it, to evaluate it. And see, that's a lot of foundation, right? But I have my way of taking care of it. I think it's okay. I am comfortable with it, so it is okay. But the point is not I am okay or not. The point is not if I have too many or too few. That is not important. I can afford these $5 stuff, $6 stuff. 1 month spending $5, $10 on my foundation. I can afford it. But I want to say about a blind spot in our way of seeing things, in our relationship with perspective. There's no right or wrong way of things. I think I'm right, but other people may think I am not right. This is true that a lot of time we think things right. Other people may not think it right. Right? We think something wrong. Other people may not think it wrong. So when we put things in perspective and seeing the different way, different how do I say it? Different way of seeing things, different perspective, it can make us more understanding, more tolerant. so that we can listen to others. We can think from their perspective. That makes us a more understanding person, not for the sake to make friends with other people. You do not need to make friends with other people, but importantly is making friends with yourself, so that you will not feel hurt, H-U-R-T. You will not feel offended when you think different from other people, when you hear other people give you opinion that is different from yours, when you actively trying to help other people by giving a different opinion. It becomes much easier. You will be much less afraid to speak out because you have more understanding. And how people perceive our opinion, it's their business. It does not have anything to do with us. People have the right to listen to us or not. A lot of people we see sometimes, there are a lot of people has very brilliant, clear idea, which is very helpful for the world. But the problem is in the execution. When we force other people to accept our idea, to accept our opinion, to comply with what we think should be, that's the time problem, argument will occur, right? It is absolutely okay to tell another people what is right, what is wrong, but forcing other people to accept what is right, what is wrong, is beyond your ability. Sometimes it is beyond your safety. You may get cancelled, you may get rejected, you may get someone pull out something towards you, right? Do not force. Nobody will be hurt by having an opinion, but somebody will be hurt if someone force their opinion to other people. So I encourage comments. If you have any comments, I'm actually thinking recently I have my video does not have noise, which is good, which is also not good. I'm making video to make myself happy. But on the other side, I also have something in my mind that I want to profit from the internet. That is, listen to different ideas, listen to different opinions, and learn something. Mostly, I do want to learn something. If I only make video, no dialogue, no nothing, no response, no reaction. It does have a result that makes me happy, makes me that enjoy. But the advantage was so limited, I didn't use the best of it. So I'm still thinking of these gifting ideas. Maybe you can put a comment on it. If this video has a lot of comments, we will do a lucky draw. Something of a card. What else can I give? A pair of earrings? Something like it. Let's see how many comments we get from this video, how many different ideas we get from this video. Critics, you put too much, your eyebrow is like angry bird, your hair has, anyway, looks not good that way, this way. Things like it. I kind of want to hear something from you. Different opinion or same opinion. Okay. I heard this hair serum is good for hair. Let's see. Two drops. Do you know how to use hair serum? I do not know. So, is this the right way? It says to use it when it is dried. Anyway, teach me how to use this and anything in between. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.